Good morning, dear students. Welcome back. So, we are here to revise our chapter 2 of Civics Preamble to the Constitution. So, as we have already discussed, that the Constitution is a fundamental law and which is the highest law. And among in that, we studied about preamble, correct? Which is a preface. That means, in short, a agenda or a layout to run a country smoothly, taking all the objectives into consideration. In that, we studied that the beginning of the preamble is what? We the people of India. Correct? And in that, there are various points to be discussed, and we have already discussed that the sovereign is ruled by yourself, not under the pressure of foreign rule. So, where the authority is given to the government to run a country, and who has chosen the government? You and me. Correct? So it is probably exercised by the government, and who elect the government? They are elected by the people. Whichever party, whichever voters, depending upon the voters and the counts which are there, like that, the party has been elected and that party starts governing the country or a state or a village, whichever area they are been elected. Then we studied about that there is no discrimination, socialistic, respect everyone. And this teaches us about that there is no gap between rich and poor. All are equal before the law. All have equal right over wealth. Nobody is inferior, nobody is superior. Secular, no official religion. In short, it speaks about that the religion is not identified or given a title for that particular state. For example, Maharashtra is the state of Hindus. Wrong. No official religion. All are equal. Diversity. Every religion is respected. Every custom, tradition, festivals are celebrated. So in short, it speaks about that no religion is official. Secular, that means everyone's religions are respected and treated well. And also freedom of choosing the religion. That means you and me have a right to choose any religion you wish to. Democratic, which means where we studied about sovereign, that is power in the hands of people, which is called as democratic republic. So elections are held every 5 years, fixed period, where voters are elected and representatives are chosen. Whoever wins the election has been selected as a party to run a government. Republic, I have written no hereditary. For example, in the easiest way, if I am a president and after a particular duration my time is over, I have no right to make a member of my family the next president. जैसे अर्लियर टाइम इट वॉज पॉसिबल दैट राजा का लड़का राजा, रानी की लड़की रानी, दोज पोजिशंस वर कैरिड ऑन. बट इन दिस गवर्नमेंट दिस थिंग्स आर नॉट पॉसिबल. पब्लिक पोजिशंस आर फिल्ड बाय इलेक्शन ओनली. चाहे वो आपका भाई हो, बहन हो, हुएवर, नोबडी इज गिवन द पोजिशन. ओनली इफ इज इलेक्टेड and wins, then only he is given authority to run a government. Justice, which is equal to all. Social, which speaks about do not discriminate among caste, creed, religion, language. Superior complex, inferior complex, मैं अमीर हूँ तू गरीब है, all these things are to be avoided. Economic, in short, right to every citizen without any discrimination. So nobody is to be discriminated. Every individual has its own right. Political speaks about that 18 years When you turn 18, you will get a right to vote, which is called universal adult franchise. Next topic is about liberty. Freedom of speech, to follow any religion, expression, means whatever doubt, whatever problems, you have right to speak, believe, faith, and also worship the God which you want. Equality, that is status and opportunity for both girls and boys. This we are learning standard 5th onward, gender equality. And the last is fraternity, which speaks about we feeling togetherness, respect of every individual. So here is a revision of our chapter preamble to the Constitution. Let us continue with the next chapter 3, features of the Constitution.